Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me in Pakefield, and what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at the cliffs, and which are just down there, and just have a look at the erosion of them, and also we're going to come back and go over towards the church, which is just there, and then we're flying on the coast just for a bit and just get the sights and sounds from the air for you. Right, catch you at the end. Okay, filming all done. As you saw, we went over to the cliffs, as I said in the intro, and we flew along them, and we got some side views of the cliffs as well. Then we came back and went over to the sandbar, which is just over there. You can see it there. We didn't fly too low onto that, obviously because there's obviously birds on there. Obviously they're not nesting birds, but it's birds on there. We didn't want to really disturb them. Obviously we all got to enjoy the earth where we can, so I didn't want to disturb them. Not many gulls around. There was a few which didn't like the drone very much, but we soon not got rid of them, but we soon went out their way. We just flew up quickly, just not to disturb them too much. Yeah, so obviously, as I said, I think in the intro, we went over to the church as well, which is just there. Okay, some dodgy zooming work there. Right, normal jazz. Like, comment, subscribe. More content to come. Bye bye for now.